This tomahawk, no? And it's really good for sharing, okay? But if not, nevertheless, we also have a really beautiful cuts, which is already included in your $45 plus 18%,
They
no?
also serve some lobster there. So it's not only steak, they also serve seafoods. They have nice sea bass, fried chef, Maine lobsters.
So going back to our tartar, so I just added some onion, chives, Tabasco. If you don't like spicy, you can skip that part. But you have to put some Worcestershire, a little ketchup, a little lemon juice, and olive oil, and salt and pepper. So this is actually getting cured by the acids that we add on the meat. And we are doing this as per order because if we will mix this in advance, you will notice that the meat is already black. That's why when you order, it's the time we mix per order your beef tartare. And then the acids is just starting to cook the meat. And it's really nice. It's actually served with multi-grain toast. So I'll just start plating. So you will see.
Yeah, that's how complicated is this steak tartare. Because if they prepare it in advance before we open the restaurant, this one, because of the lemon juice, if this one is prepared in advance, when it goes to your table, it will look like a hamburger patty.
So ladies and gentlemen, as we mentioned earlier, this is part of the premier package. Once you have the premier package, you have unlimited access to all our specialty dining, Sabatini's and Crown Grill. Also, we have 2 casual dining on board. So we have one here, Vines, and also casual, the one in deck 7, which is the Salty Dog Pub. We have 2 Salty Dog on board. We have one in deck 15. They serve regular veggie burgers, hamburgers, cheeseburgers. But then the one that they're serving in the Salty Dog Pub, that has cover charges that will be $14.99 per person, and it comes with 3 courses. So you get their choice of your appetizer, some beautiful burgers like Beyond Burgers, and it comes with some small desserts. But the one in deck 15, that is a complimentary, that's for everyone. Also, just